In the last stream we did our customized control system, and also we checked the gun attributes. So Moksit, what we are going to do today? Control.
Hello everyone. So today, as you know, for our shooter game, we needed a weapon selection UI, right? So that we can select the weapons, and we also wanted to showcase a extra mechanism where after selecting the weapon, it will show the weapon stats. So basically, today we'll be showcasing what we did today in office regarding that, and along with that, we'll be working forward with it on working on its edge cases right now.
Okay, so let me share my screen, and like this is our Figma board. Just let me know if you can see the screen.
Yeah,
Okay. So can you just explain what we did today in the office and what we can continue from here?
So yes, so basically, as I said before, we wanted a weapon selection UI, right? So we wanted to get the references from different games first. So if you move forward above here, we can see that we had taken some examples from different games such as Valorant, Call of Duty, and CS:GO, and many other games. So what we did is we took parts of some games and applied it in our game, and when we created all these elements from the start. So basically, in our game, we have a total of 11 weapons, if I'm correct.
Yes.
Am I right, Premji?
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
yeah. So we have 11 weapons, and in the 11 weapons, we wanted six of those weapons to appear randomly, and the player can choose any one of the six weapons. So we wanted to showcase the UI for the six weapons. This is just a mock-up, so we have chosen these six weapons as our mock-up test, and as you can see here, a foaming gun is the one which we have selected. So our idea is that whenever the player selects the gun, there will be a green outline on top of it to indicate that that player has selected the weapon. And after selecting the weapon, on the right side of the weapon selection, you can see all these details regarding the gun. This is important because the player can decide on which gun to choose before actually starting the match. He can check on the damage multiplier stats, he can check on the total ammo, he can check on the fire rate, etc. Many other stuff. And he can also check whether the type of the gun, whether it's a rifle, whether it's a launcher, which will be shown below the gun's name here. And this lock-in feature, we actually took it from Valorant. So basically what happens here is, once you select a weapon, you have to click on the lock-in feature, and then the weapon will be locked in so that you can use that weapon in the game. Otherwise, if you don't lock in, I assume that the game will randomly select out of these six again. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So it will be randomly selected. You don't want that, so you have to make sure that you have to lock in the weapon before you go into the game. So currently this is the amount of work we have done just to showcase how it would look. This is just a rough idea. Our 2D art team and UI team will be working on creating these elements and making it much better, and then we'll be implementing it to the game. So for now, we'll be working on edge cases. Edge cases as in like what will happen once we click on the lock-in button. What will happen like once the timer runs out and the lock-in button is not clicked. So those are the edge cases which we'll be working on right now.
Okay, cool. So we can start duplicating the screen, and we can name different edge cases or the state. Okay, just can you just create five?
5 copies.
Yeah, five copies.
Okay. You already have the 5 edge cases in your mind. Is that why the 5 copies?
No, it will be more, but I just want to start with five.
Okay.
I think five is like for states.
Hmm.
There will be different states, right? I think it will cover most of the edge cases.
Okay. 5 copies done.
Okay, so just put a header for each screen. Default.
First is the default one.
Yeah.
Give it a
You
little
can
bit.
just write default state. Yeah, cool.
Default
State.
state.
Hmm. Next,
Second one,
selected state. Like just think as a user behavior, what the player will do.
Yeah,
So default selected a gun, and once selected, what he can do? He can lock
we
in,
can lock in, logged in
locked
state.
in. Yeah. Okay. Now comes the edge cases.
Should I just give the heading as head cases?
Yeah. Undo or reselect.
Could you pause the stream for a second? My dad's calling. I'll be back.
Okay. Cool.
A mock-up, so we have chosen these six weapons as top of it. This is as in, like, what will happen once we click on the lock-in button. What will happen? We'll be showcasing what.
Stream we did our customize control system, and also we check the gun attributes. So Moxit, what we are going to do today? Control.
Hello everyone. So today, as you know, for our shooter game, we needed a weapon selection URI, right? So that we can select the weapons, and we also wanted to showcase an extra mechanism where after selecting the weapon, it will show the weapon stats. So basically, today we'll be showcasing what we did today in office regarding that, and along with that, we'll be working. Am I not audible? In Hello.
Are you back?
Yeah, yeah, I'm back.
Okay, let me open that again. Oh, where's the Figma file?
Should I send the link again?
One second, I have it. Mm, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So
I named this edge cases. Then next one.
no, you can write down the edge cases instead of just writing edge cases.
Okay. This will be edge case one.
I'm getting a call. One second.
Okay.
Okay, cool. We can continue. So this edge cases is when the player wants to reselect any weapon. Like, just suppose he choose any gun mistakenly. Now he want to
Okay.
change the gun before the timer ends.
So
Don't
edge
write.
case one.
Don't write.
Change of.
Change weapon. Like reselect.
Okay. Yeah.
Edge case one reselect weapon. This is not edge case. I think we want this feature, right? So this is
So I'll just put it as a reselect weapon.
yeah. This is not edge case. Edge cases. We want this feature. Okay.
Okay.
And like when the timer runs out.
So weapon is not selected, but the timer runs out, right?
Yeah.
Timer runs out. Out. Hello Vishal, I know it said B right track screen is coming up, but hopefully the live is fine right now. Thank you for the message.
What happened?
No, someone messaged saying that B right screen was there on the screen. So
Okay.
I felt-
Okay.
okay, edge case one, timer runs out.
Cool. So you can just tell that you were out for some time.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. I was out for like 5 seconds. I'm back now. Hopefully the live is working well.
Yeah. Do you know who is messaging? Don't worry, I'll tell you after the call.
Okay.
Okay. Edge case one timer runs out. What else it can be? Like what happens when you choose the character? Can you just open Valorant
Valorant. Okay.
and check? Okay, you cannot share a screen here, right?
No, I cannot.
And I don't have Valorant in my PC. So
What do you want to not tell me? Like I know most of the stuff about Valorant, so I just try to explain it to my mouth itself.
okay, so let me just think as a flow. The game start and
Yeah.
this shows up this screen.
Yeah.
Okay, then the timer started. Okay, can you change the timer? I think this is fine.
The timer will start going down.
Going
One of the edge cases will be if you didn't select the weapon.
okay, that we covered.
What if one of the edge cases is you selected a weapon but you forgot to lock in? Like the green highlight will be there, but you didn't press the lock in feature.
Yeah, that is the same thing, no?
Yeah. Then
I think this
other
much
than
only.
yeah.
Cool. So let's try to change. Come back to the screen one.
Default state. Okay.
Yeah. So remove this green highlight thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And lock in timer start like 10 seconds.
10
This
seconds.
10 seconds is default for now.
Yeah, we might increase or decrease it later on depending on how
Yeah.
feasible the game is.
Cool. And this one selected state.
Also, in default state, will this data will be there?
No.
Homing gun
Yeah.
data.
I forgot to tell you that. I was thinking.
Yeah. Okay, so this will be the default state because no gun is selected.
Nice. You're learning so fast.
Thank you.
I-
Then in the selected state, we'll have the data and the green thing, green hover screen.
Yeah.
So I think this is all fine.
Yeah. Player cannot do multiple selections.
Or should I write it down here in text?
Yeah, I think it will be better for developers. And when you make
Yeah.
document, it will remind you because after this process, you cannot rethink it again.
Yeah. Make multiple selections.
Okay.
Reduce the font a little. Stupid. Yeah, fine.
You can make it bigger, little more bigger.
40 to 96.
Make it 60.
60, 64.
Yeah, this is fine. And just write down what is happening here. So when player clicks on any of this gun, there will be highlighted state.
The
Mark it.
selected gun will be highlighted. Selected spelling CLE.
It's fine.
selected
You just need to make
will
it
be
understood.
highlighted with a green border,
Don't say green border.
with a colored border I'll put,
Yeah,
so they can decide on the color.
yeah.
Colored border, and the data of the selected weapon will be shown on the left of the weapon selection UI.
Hmm.
Of the weapon selection
You
UI.
okay, but don't write data, write attributes, because if you say data, there are so
And
many
the
different type of data. They might get confused.
okay, and the weapon attributes of the and the attributes of the selected weapon will be shown on the left of the weapon selection UI. Okay.
Okay, so and what like mark this as a number 2 point. Okay, make it align. There are multiple tools.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Reduce your timer like
8 seconds.
8 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Same. Write it down for the first one. Like the attributes screen will not be there. You start writing like this. This is the default weapon selection screen before player interaction.
This is the default weapon selection screen
Before the player interaction.
before the what?
Player interaction.
Before the player interaction.
Okay. And
And timer will start
yeah.
from
X.
timer will start from
Just say 10 for
X.
now.
Okay.
10
10
seconds.
seconds going downwards.
Yeah. And just write as an
Going downwards.
write as a note like this timer can be changed.
Timer value can be changed later on.
Yeah.
Then third point, weapon data will not be shown by default.
Yeah.
Weapon attributes, my bad.
Yeah.
Attributes will not be shown by default as none of the weapons are selected.
Okay. Next
Okay.
point is player cannot do any other interaction else like rather than this.
Apart from
Apart from
selecting the weapon,
yeah.
player cannot perform any other interactions apart from selecting the weapons. Also, should we suggest a suggestion?
No.
Like,
No suggestion right now.
okay, okay, cool.
Okay, but like this lock-in, what happens? Player is not selecting any gun and he's tapping on the lock-in button.
Then should we give a toast message saying that you should select a weapon first before trying to
Or
press the
just
lock-in
or
button?
make this red button gray for now,
Okay.
and make it disabled, like player cannot interact with it until he select a weapon. Okay, write it down. Make it little darker. The lock-in text is not visible.
Okay. Select the button. Okay. Good.
Okay, good, yeah.
Lock in button cannot be interacted with until until any of the weapons are selected.
And if player is trying to interact with lock-in button, there will be a toast message saying select a weapon first.
And if the player tries to interact with the lock in button, then there will be a toast message saying that please select your weapon first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and this toast message UI, where you want to place it, like on the middle?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the middle, yeah.
Okay,
I
right.
think that's one of the edge cases then.
Yeah, so write it down here. I think,
Edge case.
yeah, so there are so many points, right? But this is useful for the developers
Yeah.
and
Edge.
also useful for you when you make document.
Hmm.
Don't write edge cases, just write another point. You can start another point from if the player tries to interact, make this as point 6. Yeah, and just make another point where you are saying the toast message should be on the middle of the screen.
Toast message is on the middle of the screen
And it will continue for entire game. Any toast message in
and
the
it
game.
will con- continue for the entire duration
No, for
and
entire bet this for this game.
for
For
the
the
entire game.
yeah. You understand like what this means? Total message.
Yeah, yeah, like it will be staying there until you select a weapon.
No, this is not just about the screen. So there will be lots of other things which might happen when you start playing the game, right? So player might be
Yeah.
doing something which is not like interactable. So that time,
Okay.
any toast message we saw in the game, it will come on the middle
Okay, okay, got it.
in any time.
Okay, yeah, yeah, understood.
Understood? Okay, cool.
Then selected state.
Hmm.
So yeah, the lock in button will be converted to red.
Yeah.
Lock in button is converted to red color, indicating that it can be interacted with as the weapon is selected.
Hmm.
And the gun attributes will be shown. Gun attributes of the selected weapon will be shown. Okay, yeah, this is for selected state.
Okay. Gun attribute. I think you've written 2 times colored border and
Oh, already written it. Okay,
yeah.
my bad then. Just remove.
Cool.
Okay, done.
Cool. The player has selected a gun. Now lock in state. What happens when player click on the lock in? Reduce a
So
timer
again,
first.
the
Like you can just
yeah,
make it 6.
I think the red button will again be converted to gray
Yeah.
because it's already locked in.
Yeah.
I'll try to give the same color.
You can pick that color from there.
Yeah, and then I'll just write it down here as well. Right. Lock-in button is again grayed out as the weapon
And
is
that
already
wanted
selected.
to
Then
okay, lock in button is again grayed out as the weapon is already selected and it become in okay.
an undo button will become visible.
That is on the reselect weapon.
Okay. So for this only 1 point for now.
And what happened? Like you can just tell this weapon will go to the game now.
If the weapon current selected weapon is not changed, then the selected weapon will be equipped by the player during the gameplay.
Yeah, and like not during, after, like they'll wait for. Okay, so like if the player
Yeah,
okay, so if the player selected a gun and pressed locked in, then the timer will still be going. Okay,
yeah.
so player can change the gun again. Just write that timer will continue till 0, and the
After locking in the weapon,
yeah,
the timer will still continue until it reaches reaches 0, after which the game will start with the weapon which the character selected, player selected, sorry,
yeah, player
which the
selection.
player selected.
Hmm. So
Okay,
here,
this is locked in state.
yeah. So now write deselect weapon.
Reselect.
So you can copy the same thing, or you can make the button gray again.
Okay, one second. Button is gray again. And timer should be reduced, right? We'll keep it 6 again.
Hmm.
Okay. And in this case,
Hmm.
uh, an undo button will appear
Yes.
on the bottom left corner of the selected weapon box.
Yeah. So can you do this one?
I'll go to that vector
Flat icon.
flat icon, yeah.
Yeah.
Flat icon, undo, undo.
Can you
Okay, download. I need to log in. One second. Bus.
I'll take a pull
Mm-hmm.
till then. We can check some guns and this thing. Can you like make it wide? I don't
White,
think.
okay.
Yeah, this cannot be highlighted now.
Edit, change color, select white, download it again, undo, save, yes. Then go here, upload it. Why is it grayed out? Even though I put white. download undo किधर है?
कौन सा सर्च कर रहा है?
Hmm?
कौन सा सर्च कर रहा है?
नहीं, this undo button, I converted it to white, but it looks gray here.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Hmm. Okay, it's okay. Where is that undo?
Beside the reselect weapon heading.
So you made it white, now it is gray here.
Yeah, even I don't know why.
Okay.
I'll try to download a different one instead of this.
Mm-mm-mm. Can you see this?
1 second. Yeah, what?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Download this undo. Or,
That one, okay.
okay, or I'll send it to you.
Yeah, yeah, send it.
Moxit. Share and send. What happened?
Oh, I know why it was gray.
Why?
The opacity is at 50. Okay, I need to add it to weapon selection group now. Before, where is the weapon
Okay, then you can use
selection?
that undo. I don't need to send you.
I updated it already, it's fine.
Okay, where? Put it on the.
Beside the, at the same place where you saw it earlier.
It's on the top. Put it inside the box. Can you go to Counter Strike?
Yeah, one. Counter Strike.
Yeah. Where is that screen I asked you to add here? Can you add that screen?
Which one?
The Counter Strike undo system.
Oh, okay, okay, 1 second. Picture, screenshots, second one. Okay, this is not it. Last one probably. Yeah, you can see that.
Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, see this. Once it is selected, it become
Grayed out.
grayed out. So we have to do
Yeah,
that. Make it grayed out the gun.
I'm trying to add this first into that same thing, but there are I copied so many cases, right? So I'm checking which group it is.
This one. So once okay, you have to write it down here. Logged in state. After the logged in, that green glow, it will be gone. Not here. You have to start changing it from here. Logged in state.
Hmm.
This screen. Logged in state. Not this screen.
Yeah, yeah. What do you
So
have to do there?
so after the logged in, the button become gray. Also the green highlight, it will be removed and this entire thing will become gray.
Okay, so even text will be gray.
So, no. Don't make everything gray. Just put a overlay on top of it
Oh, okay, got it.
and remove that. Okay, yeah, like that. Cool. And reduce the opacity and make it black.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah.
Okay,
What is that border?
which border? Where?
Make a border like that green one, right? I think we should make it white, otherwise it is not looking good.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll just copy it. I shouldn't have deleted it then.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I asked you
I'll
to do
just
that.
undo and do it. Otherwise, I have to add it to groups and stuff.
Yeah, got it. Cool. Just make it white.
Okay, white, and then on top of that, this is black, and opacity is 50.
Okay. Cool. I think you need to reduce the blur. Make it hard shape. That border.
Okay, yeah. So selected it. I have to make it more blur or less blur?
Less blur.
Hard, right? So less blur.
Yeah, hard. Not that hard. Yeah, this is fine. Put that hover. Put this hover. Yeah. So the red. So the white border.
It should show the white border.
Yeah,
Okay,
like
like
that.
this,
Yes.
like there, and here, and again here.
Yeah, and your homing gun text, it should be on the middle. Can you pull that little bit up?
Okay, it's coming. It's in between. 1 second. Is it good now? Here.
Yeah. Make it on the middle. That's fine. Yes. On the little left, I think, because it is affecting the right side. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Yes. Cool. 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 So write this down. From green to white after selecting.
Selected weapon border highlight HIDH highlight will be converted from a colored highlight to a white one,
Mm.
and then the selected weapon box will be grayed out. Selected weapon box will be grayed out, right?
Right.
Okay, that's it, right? In locked
Yeah.
in state.
Yeah. So now add this undo button here.
Undo button to that,
Gray box.
and this box is okay. This thing is in between again. 1 second. I'll move it around.
What are you doing?
That thing is coming in between, so I have to put it
Okay.
in all into one group first because it's already created a group, right?
Okay.
Now we open the same group. No, it's not. In this, no. Next one. Is it now? No, not even now. Now. Okay, yeah, perfect. And this also I have to add it into the
It
same group.
it will be on top, but
Top one.
yeah,
Let's
the
see.
undo button should be on the top layer.
No, not the same group. So probably there are so many homing gun groups because we copied it, right?
Yeah.
I had to like named it first. Homing group one, homing group. Okay, this one.
Homing group.
So this will be here. Little up. Okay, and this will be here.
You can keep it. No, make it bigger. Yeah.
Here.
Here, or you can keep it on middle. I think. It's fine. Yeah, something like that.
Like this.
Yeah. The UI/UX team will handle this.
Okay.
Okay. This is not middle. Just put a little left. It's too big. That size was good. Yeah. No. This is too small. Is this good? Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Just add some drop shade on this.
Drop shadow. Yeah.
I Can't
Done.
see any drop shadow. Can you increase the drop shadow little bit more?
Top shadow. I'll decrease the blur
Yeah.
to 2. Now
Don't increase
1.
the blur. Increase the drop
No, I'm
shadow.
decreasing it.
Remove blur from this. Just add drop shadow.
Now is it good?
Can you unselect? Yeah, this is good. Okay, cool. So just copy the same screen on the reselect weapon. This is same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Reselect weapon.
uh,
Oh, there's lock-in
I
button
think
didn't
you
come
need to
one
create.
second.
What happened?
The lock-in button didn't come along with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you push
Yeah.
the timer round out runs out on the next a little bit far so that we can adjust one more screen on the right? Yeah. So this reselect weapon, can you duplicate it? The entire thing. Yeah. Duplicate it. Okay.
Yeah.
And the first reselect, it will become undo.
Undo.
Yeah. Undo selected weapon. Undo current weapon.
Undo current
Current
weapon.
or right selected. It will be easier for the people to understand, the developers.
Undo selected weapon.
Yeah. So now in this, explain what happens when, like, how to do undo. Click on the homing gun and the lock in button become red again.
Okay. Lock-in button is again. Okay. This is has to be removed. Lock-in. Lock-in button will be changed to red again if the player decides to select the undo button, which is on top of the selected button box. Then uh, after clicking undo part, I'll write here, I guess.
Hmm.
So on undo, the player can decide to select a new weapon again.
On undo. No. Lock in button will change to red again if the player decide to select the undo button, which is on top of the selected button box. Not selected weapon.
Yeah, selected weapon box.
Weapon box. On undo, player can decide to select a new weapon again. Okay.
Undo negative, like
Uh,
after the undo,
yeah.
he can select a new weapon.
Yeah. Before the timer turned out.
New weapon
Before the.
before the timer runs out.
Uh, so on the reselect weapon, just copy this number 2 and paste it on the 3.
On
Oh no. I think you should write it down again. Like how to
I'll
reselect
just
it.
remove everything and try it again.
Don't remove what you have written on that. Can you undo? Lock-in button is again grayed out as weapon is already selected after locking. Or this is not reselected.
Yeah, I think this was copied from here
Reselected.
before.
Okay, so just write it down here. The timer is lesser than last time.
The timer is lesser than last time,
But player can.
uh,
Okay, you can write.
but the player can still decide to change the
But
weapon
before the timer is end.
before the timer runs out.
Yeah. Okay. So go to the next one. So what happens? Timer sound out. You don't need to write edge case. Just write timers on top.
Okay.
I think the rest, I think the design team, like the UI UX team and the developer
Hmm.
will handle. And if they say there are more edge cases we need to do, we'll add in the flow.
Okay.
So,
Then timer runs out. So the button will be gray, right?
yeah. So,
Button
oh no no no, reselect weapon. So you need to change the UI. So for reselect button, you can delete this and copy the first one
default.
default. Yeah, it will go to default.
Oh yeah, because undo will be already clicked. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Are you enjoying thinking all this cases?
Imagine how much we'll enjoy when the game is fully released and
Yeah,
we'll be
just
playing it.
make, yeah. We'll play in Unity today.
I think the time will be less here, so I'll put 3 seconds.
4 second. You're reducing by 2.
Okay,
Timer rounds out like
4.
yeah 4. Here
Then
0.
in timer runs out, it's 0 seconds.
Yeah.
0 seconds. Also the color of the box,
Become gray.
it will become
Oh,
gray.
like can you explain me how how what it happens in Valorant if you don't select any character before a timer?
In Valorant, so basically there are two ways which you can go through there. So let's say these 6 guns are the characters, right? Let's say you have selected the homing gun, but you haven't logged in.
Hmm.
So the game will, after the timer runs out, since that gun was selected, the game will automatically lock in with that gun after
Okay.
the timer runs out.
Cool.
But if you didn't select the weapon only, then the game like
Give
it
you.
will come back to the home screen because like it's a competitive game, right? They don't want AFK players.
Oh, okay. Cool. So write that point.
Okay.
So if the player selected a gun and then did not log in, it will come when the game start. The same
If
gun will come.
the player has selected a weapon but has not locked in the weapon, then after the timer runs out, the selected weapon will be automatically locked in and the game will continue.
And
If
not as.
okay, locked in and the game will continue. If the player has not selected any weapon and if the timer runs out,
Okay.
I sound like a elementary school teacher.
This is how I think. No, this is fine.
If the player has not selected any weapon and if the timer runs out, in our game, instead of going back to the home screen, it will randomly select from these 6 weapons, right? The
Okay.
game itself will select, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If the player has not selected any weapon and if the timer runs out, then the game will automatically select one of the 6 weapons for the player and then starts the game.
Or we can do one more thing. So like we can check the data. Like this player is playing this type of guns. Like is this
Hmm.
a rifle player? Is this a sniper player? That is for
Okay, that
that is for later. I think we will not have any data when we start the game.
okay, yeah,
Okay.
starting, yeah.
Yeah, but at initial point, what I was thinking was to give a like have a default rifle gun. So if
Hmm.
player doesn't select any of this gun, the like we have a rifle gun, right? So we'll just give them as a default one, that gun. But like this is better, I think. It will come from any of this.
Because
Otherwise,
if in that rifle case,
uh,
what if the player is better in the rifle and in every game he
yeah,
like on purpose he skips it?
that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So I think I have added that point in the free for all mode in the game design document. Can you change that?
Okay, let me open it.
Can you
Free
open?
for game document,
Yeah,
free for all mode, and lobby and matchmaking, game start system, weapon selection rules.
yeah, there.
If no selection within 10 seconds, then default primary and secondary are auto and instead of
Yeah,
that I'll write.
yeah, this one. Copy paste it. Copy paste the point number 2.
Yeah. Fine. If the player is not okay. Something went wrong. Reload again. Okay, reloading. If no selected, okay, I'll remove this entire point
Hmm.
and paste this. Okay, done.
Okay, and can you paste this to Battleverse channel and tag Manas?
Okay, Battleverse channel at Manas. Okay. I'll mention that instead of giving default buttons, we'll do this.
Instead of giving
Instead of giving
default gun.
default weapons, default guns,
Yeah,
we will implement this.
yeah. If the player has not selected any weapon and if the timer runs out, then the game will automatically select one of these 6 weapons. Uh, one of these 6 weapons of the player. One of the 6 weapons for the player, and then start the game.
My English is better, good, right?
Yeah,
There's no mistakes. Okay, I've sent it once you can check
yeah.
in the Battleverse channel.
I'm learning from you. So, can you write one more point on the default screen? Just say that like we'll have 11 guns. We'll have like 11 guns, right?
Okay, yeah,
And we'll be showing 6 guns randomly only. How many guns do
there
we have? Like
are,
we removed 2 guns already.
yeah, so it became 11 right now.
11. Okay.
But laser gun is not fully removed.
No,
We are,
it is removed for now. So like 10 guns.
okay. There are 11 guns
10
in
guns
the
if you remove laser.
10. Okay. Oh, 12. Okay, 12 is my mistake. Okay, I thought it's 13. There are 10 guns in total.
I need to count. You're making me
Out
confused.
of, I'll just count it myself right now. 1 second.
Just
There
remove
is a,
the laser and ricochet grenade launcher.
I'll say the names of the guns. You can like count it. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Rifle,
Yeah,
homing gun,
yeah,
ricochet gun,
yeah.
pulse gun,
Mm.
rifle grenade,
Mm.
ricochet grenade,
No.
homing gun. Okay, ricochet grenade is not there. Homing gun grenade,
Yeah,
pulse gun grenade,
yeah,
shotgun,
yeah.
flamethrower, sniper.
Okay. This
How many?
10.
10. Okay. There are 10 guns in total, out of which
6 will come.
6 are chosen at random by the game.
Don't use chosen. 6 will show up. Otherwise, they'll get confused.
6,
Like because
6 are shown to the player.
randomly.
Shown custody. SH OW shown to the player at
Randomly.
random
At starting of every game.
at the start of every game.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
And also write down this. Okay, too much detail. We already have in the document.
Hmm.
Cool.
Default selected, locked in, undo, reselect, timer runs out. Okay.
Timer rounds out. So, what happens to this lock-in button in Valorant after time runs out? Like,
After timer runs out, it vanishes.
vanishes like fade away animation.
It like
What is the
pops out.
what is the transition between this screen to the game starting? Will a new
So
loading?
after, yeah, there's a loading screen, and in that loading screen, it will basically tell the map name, and it will be a background of that map from a top view angle. That's it.
Can you create a screen here? That
I'll see if I can find one.
no. Just do this thing. Just duplicate the BG image we have from the game.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay, not this one. This one.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So write down starting match started something match starting.
Start starting है ना?
क्या
It will be loading. Started. Started. Not started.
ऐसा
Center.
started लिखता है क्या? I don't think
I think there will be like a small loading, right? So I think it will be
there will be
starting.
no road. There will be no loading. Like after just after the countdown, this toast message will come. Match started.
Okay. Not started.
Okay, the concept art team and the UI team will decide what to add on this, or we can decide later on.
Okay.
For now, this is it. I think we should talk more English to improve my English.
I don't see any fault in your English. It's not faulty.
Like I don't see any fault in your Hindi.
Sure, sure.
Match started. Okay. Free for all mode. That will be a good information.
I'll write it below it, but in a smaller text.
Yeah, you can like. I think you can read my mind now. We are so synced right now.
Free for all.
There is a dash, I
mode.
think, somewhere. There is a dash between somewhere on the text. I think when you write free for all mode.
I think between match started and free for all mode, we need to put a line like free
Whatever.
for
So, yeah.
all.
See, there is a dash after every word. Yeah, like that.
Oh
Can you,
yeah, put it.
can you make the F and A capital letter?
Free for all mode.
Mode also.
I'll make it slightly thin as well. I can't make it thin in this text.
Mode also just make it capital letter M. Oh, Moksit, I think for this we already have that UI screen, right? Can you bring that UI here? That gameplay.
Oh, okay. I have to search it 1 second.
Yeah.
Where is?
No, it is there already. I don't know why. Okay, bring it.
I have put it in our channel, right? The video. So I take a screenshot from there.
What?
I had put a video in the channel, right? I'll take a screenshot from there.
Yeah, but I don't think he added on the same way we did the mock-up right now. I want a top bar, that goal and everything, match goal.
Oh, it's not there here.
You can bring the Figma file, no?
Now, from where are you asking me to bring it?
That Figma file from the shooter game Figma, where you were editing yesterday.
Editing yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was editing in this itself.
So can you see this?
Let me open the live. Yeah. See what?
See this?
Oh, okay, that.
Yeah.
That's where I was working at.
Match started, free for all mode. Oh my god. I want to play this game.
Soon.
So after this, tomorrow I want you to make this in the document, like with the image and bottom all the points. Image all the points.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And for mockup, I think you can use hand pointers. Lock in, like you can. Okay, I'll teach you that. Let's just finish this one first. Do it first. I have another call at 8.
You had sent me that link, right?
Yeah.
Where is that link? Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. Yeah.
Ring.
I should copy the entire thing and bring it there.
Yeah. And delete this. Just keep the match started and fill for all more text. You can remove the BG. We just have 15 minutes to it first.
This thing, right? I
Yeah.
got it there. Then.
Yeah, but I don't want anything. All the annotations. Can you delete that?
Annotations.
Yeah.
How to delete it individually? Oh no.
You can select it, right?
Okay, done.
Cool. So just crop this guy and make it a PNG on your remove BG website
Okay.
and put
I'll
that guy on the
export this
screen.
first. Export at.
Or can you do one thing? Can you put this guy and replacing the gray background and make this as a background?
Just put this image here. Is
Uh, no,
audio.
no. Just make it PNG. Do it first.
Okay. Export rectangle. Go to this website. Add the image. Remove the background. The one time I want it to work fast, it's not working fast.
I can make PNG for you. Not so difficult.
Do it and send that. I'll also be doing it here.
I love making PNG.
Can you see the screen?
Your screen, no?
No. I mean the Figma screen.
Yes, I can see that. Not right now. Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's good. I did on. Yeah. Yeah.
I think this handle should come front. So
Just play with the.
default buttons and UI.
Just play with the layer.
I have to put it in the group as well.
No, don't do it right now. So you can do that later.
Okay.
So just bring that weapon layer on top.
Even if I bring it at this, I'll bring the whole group at the top. No, I can't do that. I have to put this character also inside that group. Otherwise, even if I put it
Yeah.
at
Understood.
the front,
Understood. Do it fast. 13 minutes, bro. 13 minutes.
default, where is this? There are so many things in this Figma file. That's why I have another idea. I'll put this here. Bring this to front. Now I know it will be in the front.
Mm.
Select this.
Okay.
Go to the top and put it in. Now go here. Bring this group forward. Bring this to forward again. And
Okay.
this thing forward.
Okay. Just
It comes
bring
forward.
that green bar for on top layer. That is fine. That is not interacting with the player. Just bring the green layer on top.
It is not coming forward.
Can you duplicate that green? Yeah. Control C. Control C. Not Alt. Not Alt. Not Alt. Delete. Control C and unselect. Don't drag. The entire group will
Control
come.
C,
Yeah.
unselect.
Yeah. Paste. Yeah. See.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now make this gray little darker. Yeah, and now bring that match start at free for all mode. Yeah, yeah, put it somewhere. Or put it on top. Okay, yeah, this is fine. No, no, to
Yes.
no, bring it down. Little bit more. Yeah, this is fine. Keep it in the middle. Okay. So add some drop shadow for the character. It's looking very weird. I think this guy
Okay.
should be with the
Drop
gun now.
shadow. Oh, you should be holding a gun, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and change this gun with the homing gun. That AK. What?
I don't have that
Hey, dude,
image. Oh, this image, okay.
what happened to your homing gun?
Why is it there?
Put it back. Your mockups are falling apart.
Also, why is there a yellow square? Oh, you selected it, that's right.
I cannot select anything, man.
You can just click on it, it will show me a yellow square.
Yeah, so I cannot do any changes.
Homing gun.
Select it. Go inside and select it. Yeah.
Why is it not coming to front? Oh, it's in that group, that's why. Okay, go here. Yeah.
Get that gun.
Delete. Come here. Shift and reduce.
Put it inside the box.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. You can make it a little bigger. There's the space.
Now?
Yeah, good. So for this Moko, I think you can get it from the game and make PNG and edit here.
Okay, yeah. With the gun, I'll put the PNG.
Yeah. So like remove the BG, that black one. Yeah. Okay, and now like game start. Next header. Remove this. Yeah. So this is how you should do. Oh, do make it a group.
Oh, it's not grouped. Okay. Match start. What are the new elements I added?
You can select.
This.
You can like
Select everything and
select
group.
everything in group. Yeah.
Control G. Then bring all this here. Then what was the name? Game start, right?
Yeah. Game start. Make the alignment.
Game start.
Match start. Match.
Match start.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you see my screen? I'm sharing something.
Yeah.
So select this. This one. This one.
Peace sign.
Yeah. Download this and download this. This one, okay? Or you can download this one and make this white.
Just a delay 1 second. Which one? That one. Okay. Okay. And pointer. Date. Make it white. Download. Yeah. I have it.
I can see. So selected state, right? So click on the homing gun. Add that. Where is,
Click on it. Homing gun.
I can see the pointer. Where is the pointer?
1 second. You can't see it?
No.
I'll try to do it with here.
I can see. Increase the opacity.
Yeah.
Yeah, so click on the homing gun. No, no,
Hmm.
no. Make it feel like it is clicking on the homing gun
Oh, okay, okay. So bring to front.
and rotate it like 45 angle. Not that side anti-clock. Make it smaller. Yeah, cool. So I think too tilted this one. Can you make it little straight? Little more. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, yeah, this is fine. Cool.
Okay,
Add a drop shadow.
done.
Done. Okay. So locked in. Click on the login. Yeah. So don't cover the text. Yeah, here like that. Cool. And undo. Click on the undo. No, no. Keep it on the button. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. You're covering that.
I'll put it little here.
Okay. Cool. Reselect.
Reselect. There's nothing selected there as of now.
Oh no. So then we missed one point here. This is like coming back to default. Then there will be reselect.
And in this again, I have to put uh,
This
selected state image, right?
no, no. Yeah. In this you need to put selected state and there will be one more screen between undo and reselect coming back to default. So like select all these three and move little bit on the right so that you can add one more screen and you can okay copy this.
Copy default one, right?
Yeah, just right default. Where is the button?
Why does the lock-in not come always? Hmm.
Write the header coming back to default. Back to default. Okay, and change no
What happened?
lock in right. Okay, cool, got it. So default reselect. Now reselect should be like you already selected a button. Selected
So
state.
selected state.
Yeah, bring the selected state.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So write whatever thing is happening on the default state. Back to default state. Cool. So Moksit, it's time.
Going back to default state after clicking the undo button, the player can select a new weapon and lock it in again. In this timer will be reduced.
Yeah, six.
So six, okay, five, I guess.
Yeah, five.
Five.
Yeah, then four. Next. No, you can just say 6420.
So six here, four,
Yeah, four.
four. Then reselect it's two,
Two. Next is zeros. Like wow.
two, zero. Perfect.
Timer runs out.
I ran out.
Okay, cool. So this is it, Moxit. So make it in a proper document. Have the image and explain everything, and just check on the pointers again. Like, are you making the right pointers or not?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, and export this, or you can like just take a screenshot and edit, or you can
Okay,
export it
okay.
one by one and you can edit on the document. So just make another tab on the GDD just write a weapon selection screen or pop-up.
Weapon selection screen, and then I'll add these images and write about that.
Yeah,
Got it.
you have written already. You just have to paste it on the document.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, cool. So this is it, guys, for today. We are not able to play the game because I have another meeting right now at 8 p.m. So we'll come back again with more updates tomorrow. Okay. Let's say bye, Moksit.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Bye.